about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on.
Hey you guys, it's Kira and I'm back for another video. Today we're going to be doing these large Jhene Aiko / long coil array braids. So if you want to see how I got this look, please continue to watch. Alright. And also let me know if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial where I show you, close up how to do more of what I'm about to do. So just let me know in the comments below. So anyways, to start off, I only have one braid left. I've done the majority of my head. I'm taking Shining Gem and a little edge brush, and I'm just getting the base of the braid combed out, pulling out what I want for my little edges, my little baby hairs, adult hairs, whatever you want to call them, girl. I don't know. I don't care, girl. So anyways, I'm going to start braiding my hair alone without any extensions added. I braided twice and then I started adding the hair in. Now, like I said, this is why I said let me know if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial, because I did this very quickly. But if you were paying attention just now, I added in about 5 pieces to the braid, but it's more about the look than it is about how many pieces you put in. So for me, my hair is kind of fine, so this was a good amount for me. And it's okay to unravel your hair a little bit and make sure that your ends are getting tucked in, because you don't want your braids to end up looking less neat in a shorter amount of time just because your ends start poking out. And then I'm just going to continue braiding past my hair. If I mess up, I want to unravel it a little bit and try again. And then now, once I got a little bit further down the braid, I just added in 2 pieces just to make it even, so that I had enough added to each strand of the braid. And then I'm just going to continue braiding down. Now, I don't know if anybody has a better idea of how to like braid the ends of your hair, like if you're trying to do long braids. I don't know, but I'll be putting it in my mouth. Probably not the best idea, but hey, we got to get it how we live, girl. So now I just took a little small black rubber band and I'm just gonna rubber band off the ends of the braids, leaving the end, so that, because I'm gonna add purple flexi rods to the ends. Okay, so I'm rolling the bottom around, and then I'm trying to tuck it underneath the hair that I'm rolling up toward. So start at the end and then tuck that end underneath the rest of the hair as you roll up. Okay, so I only use 4 flexi rods. Like, y'all, this hairstyle took me no more than 5 hours to do. It could have took me less than that, but when I'm girl, look at me. So anyways, I'm about to boil my water. I've boiled it, and now I'm going to take each side and I'm going to fully submerge it in the water, and I'm going to make sure that I'm going up the braid to just seal it all and make sure everything's going to stay together and lock into place. As you can see, I have 2 towels. I have one sitting on my lap, and then I have another one to squeeze out the water. You just want to make sure that you're protecting yourself whenever you're doing this step, because obviously boiling hot water definitely could die, girl. So, totally just like be safe out here. You know what I mean?
You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
And just a little tip or tidbit or whatever, a lot of people wonder how I get my parts so straight. Number one, I have 2 mirrors. As you can see behind me, I have a mirror sitting there, and there's also a mirror in front of me that I keep looking at. And so that's how I get my parts so straight, because I just put my mirrors up how I need to so that I can see the back of my head properly, and then I just do my best to make the parts as straight as possible. But as you can see, I just took some foam, some mousse, and I'm just gonna put that on the top of my hair just to help with the flyaways if there are any. And then I'm also gonna, you know, lightly style my baby hairs or whatever. Usually with my hair, it works pretty well with mousse when it's freshly clean. So I was able to, you know, lay my baby hairs down without any gel at that moment. And so I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to blow dry the top of my head, and I'm going to blow dry the ends of the curlers, the flexi rods, so that when I take them out, they're not dripping or soaking wet, because I really didn't want the water to be dripping down my back or anything like that. So I'm just going to blow dry that until it's mostly dry. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna just take the curls out, and as you can see, it's really cute, very springy, giving very much, you know, the Jhene Aiko braids. Really love those on her. Totally wanted to do them, and this was such a quick hairstyle. Like I said, that's what I was saying earlier. It could have taken me a shorter amount of time than 5 hours, but you know, when I'm doing my own hair and I have time, I just be chilling. I don't be trying to rush. But I took some mousse and I'm gonna go on the ends of the hair and just rub that through just to tame the flyaways and to separate the curls and make sure that they're gonna just be their own entity, darling. And then I'm gonna blow dry them, blow dry the hair, because I also didn't want the curls to be super springy or like super tight. So I was just doing that just to help elongate the curl just a little bit and to dry the rest of the hair. Now I'm oiling my scalp, and then that's gonna be the finished results, you guys. Really love these braids. Love them so much.
No matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life.
Yeah, period. Bow. And here's a full view of the back. I definitely had no more than 20 braids on my head. I don't actually know the exact amount of how many I had. Right now you could probably count and find out, maybe. But definitely less than 20. So I really like this style. It's very lightweight, super cute, super cute. Wear it over to the side, put it up in a bun, do whatever you want to do. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This was a very quick one. I'm trying to get better at making quicker videos, because I know everybody's attention span is short, even mine, girl. I'm be all ADHD with it, girl. So I hope you guys like this hairstyle. I hope you try it out. Tag me in any photos if you decide to try this hairstyle out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. And you can also find the hair that I used today in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Have a good one, y'all. Bye.